Oh, yes, fish on. Oh, yes, fish on. Yes. Good fish too. Jeez. What do we got? Leave.
Oh, it's not.
Yes. Good start to the day. Open your bail arm. Yes. Loads of the first fish of the day. There you go.
What are those fish?
Just a matter of finding them, I told you that.
A little bit stuck in the net.
A little bit.
I knew I picked the right lure, the right thing.
Yeah. All redfin are big enough.
Sounds a little bit annoying.
There's your lure back. There you go, guys. Here you guys, lure of choice. It's a little Samaki Vibalicious in the redfin pattern, as these guys are carnivores. There you go. Giddy.
More like cannibals.
Yes, shot. I think it's very big, but we got one. Cast your line down there.
Got the net on it.
Nah, it's fine. It's only little. I don't think we'll need the net for this one.
Don't know what's down there.
That way.
Good enough?
That'll do. There we go. Another one already.
Why is it like
Finally caught a fish. Like what?
that? Why is that?
Because he's agitated. You bet you've just got caught.
Oh, don't fall.
Only little. There you go, guys. Nice little ready.